Do you want to use a VPN on your iOS device? Let's find out how to set it up. First, download the NordVPN iOS app from the App Store. Then, open the app and tap Log In if you already have an account, or Sign Up to create a new one. Once you're done, a privacy notification will pop up. Click Agree and Continue. Tap Quick Connect for instant VPN protection. When connecting for the first time, you will be asked to allow NordVPN to add VPN configurations. Select Allow or use Touch ID to continue. This is a general iOS notification shown to all the apps that directly interfere with your network. NordVPN does not monitor your online activity. What are the benefits of using a VPN on your iPad or iPhone? A VPN, such as NordVPN, encrypts your online traffic by connecting to servers all around the globe. You can hide your virtual location with a single click. This is especially beneficial when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. A VPN encryption can mask your online activity from hackers, internet service providers, and other prying eyes. Also, NordVPN offers Threat Protection Lite. Turn on this feature to guard yourself against intrusive ads and malicious sites while connected to a VPN. Dark Web Monitor is another great tool in the NordVPN app. It scans dark web forums and sites to inform you of potential leaks of your NordVPN email address. Moreover, you can create your personal VPN server with a feature called MeshNet. It also lets you link devices that use NordVPN and safely transfer files. To sum up, a VPN like NordVPN can significantly improve the privacy and protection of your iOS devices. Install it and see for yourself. Need some more tips? Check out our channel for other tutorials.